Hi, I'm Mike O'Boyle and I'm from Crossvale, the leaders in the design, deploy and management of enterprise Kubernetes platforms. I'd like to take just 3 minutes of your time and talk about Kubernetes and your options for day 2 maintenance of your container platform. Before we dive in, let's step back and talk a little bit about why managed service. Well, according to a recent Pulse survey, 73.5% of technology leaders are outsourcing the implementation, maintenance, and optimization of their cloud platforms. So what is causing organizations to shift in this direction? Why outsource? Well, managing and maintaining container platforms can be an obstacle for many reasons. Limited resource and expertise, the need to move existing applications while building new cloud-native applications, the complexity of implementation and integration. So how can an organization tackle these obstacles? Well, here is where ROSA can help. ROSA is a managed service for Red Hat OpenShift platform on AWS. By now you're probably asking, well, what are the benefits of using ROSA versus a self-managed OpenShift cluster in the cloud? Well, 3 simple reasons. Firstly, flexible consumption-based pricing. The next is a clear path to hybrid cloud deployments. And finally, reduced complexity. But how does this impact your organization? Well, your developers can now get access to native AWS services. What this means is you can now innovate with ease by introducing AI and machine learning capabilities in your containerized applications. ROSA also provides an integrated experience for cluster creation, management, plus all your AWS services. Furthermore, your finance teams get a single unified bill for both your ROSA spend and your AWS service consumption. You can use committed AWS spend towards ROSA services. Now, last but not least, as a managed service, ROSA provides 99.5% uptime on SLA, full stack management and support expertise using a joint team of Red Hat Site Reliability Engineering Team, the SREs, and AWS. So, you would like a managed service like ROSA. For some use cases in your organization, however, you may want or need to keep some of your environment on-prem or even hybrid multi-cloud. Now what are your options? Well, this is where Crossvale steps in. As a premier partner in Europe and the US for Red Hat and part of the Certified Cloud Service Provider program known as CCSP, Crossvale is in a unique position to offer a fully tailored 24/7 365 OpenShift managed service in your unique environment. Whether it's on-prem, bare metal, with multi-cloud, we cover everything you have. So if you are considering or currently have OpenShift and are looking for options on day 2 operations, come and talk to us to help you decide which route is right for you. Thanks for listening.